singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh. I could be the best thing in your life.
I love you.
I love you, Daddy.
Tignan mo yan.
I love
Tuwa-tuwa.
Dad.
How about mommy?
I love you, Daddy.
How about mommy? Mommy will cry.
Why?
Cry, mommy. Sige nga, kiss mo nga si daddy.
Kiss daddy. Kiss daddy.
Wow, gustong ito. Tuwang-tuwa ito isa. How about mommy? No? Kiss na mommy. I love you, Willow. I love you, Willow. I love you, Willow.
Wow!
Oh, kiss na mommy, please.
Wow!
Ayaw talaga.
Papa!
Hmm?
Sama. No.
Are you excited?
Open window.
Open the... open the door. Picture ka muna.
The window.
Picture sa door? Yeah. Willow.
Your name sa permit na nakapasok po on the day of the work. Ayan. Kasi kung wala po kayo, ayan, automatically
maglaro ng sand. You wanna play? Huh? Yeah. One hot daw. One hot.
And KB.
Gusto niyo ng suot eh.
Kung wala po palitan po natin. Ay, may mga monkeys na po.
Ay, Pop! Baby, look at the monkey! A monkey? Andoon, baby. Oh, come here. Come here.
Tingnan mo
Say hi! Hi, Sophie! Heart, heart, Willow! Heart, heart!
Yan. Then dito po yung plaque or award ng Underground River at 7 Wonders of Nature. Ito po. Yan. Ito po yung tinatawag na 7 Wonders of Nature marker. So, 7 lang po sa buong mundo yung may ganito. And isa po dito is yung sa Underground River. Yan. So, 6 na lang po yung...
Wag mo. Dito na ka sa monkey. Nasaan ka? Ito mo?
have your audio device and meron na po tayong boat para makaproceed na po tayo.
Careful, babe.
Ayan.
Hi, Willow. 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 Willow.
Lukat.
Kapiti, oh. Natakot si Willow. Kaya nalulada lang siya. Natakot siya, umiiyak. Willow. Willow, how are you? Para tayo magmimina. Wear your hat.
Okay lang po ba yan? Let's take the left.
Sino ang umiyak sa Underground River? Ba't ka umiyak? Ha? Willow's afraid? Ah, you hug daddy. Nakaupo daw siya sa lap ni daddy. Hug mo si daddy. Willow's afraid? Scared ka sa mga bats? Ha, Willow?
You remember the cathedral? Yung 1 point for the Tinravel News Law. From outflow, yan po yung pinasukan ninyo till
Ay, hindi magbo-boat si Mami? Mamaya daw magbo-boat. Pero hindi daw kasama. Saan si Mami pupunta? Ha? Wala. Ayun. Boat? Boat? Natakot si Willow saan?
The dark?
Dark and the bats? Takot siya. I want watermelon.
Walang tubig daw. Walang tayo sa pag...
Walang tubig. Dito daw. Willow? Ano yan?
Wow.
Wow, what's that?
As you can see, kung sa opening po mismo ng cave, meron po kayo makikita.
Elephant cave.
Oh, yan. Tapos yung body niya po is meron po siyang temple na nag-fit sa likod. Same as with what they have in Thailand. Although yung mga elephant.
Mo.
Alright, thank you.
Saan?
Elephant? Nasaan yung elephant? I love you.
I love you so much, Mommy.
I love you too. I love you.
Black.
Huh? I love you so much. Delayed yung flight. Willow. Dumating na ang airplane. Excited na siyang pumasok. Are you excited? Willow is excited? Delayed masyado yung flight. Yun na. Hello.